Hey everyone, just wanted to remind you guys to follow my Instagram pages. One is just cute pictures and videos of me. The other one is all my health and fitness tips. Now, let's get back to the 70s look. I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. Let's go. Okay, y'all, bear with me because I'm very sick right now. I have tonsillitis, so my voice is very crappy. But anyways, we're going to start off with the brows. You can see that I'm using a brow pencil. It's by NYX. And my technique is super simple. I just do little strokes and I follow the actual shape of my natural brow. I don't even groom my brows anymore, honestly. I like to have a thick brow, so yeah, that's all I'm doing is just following how my natural brow moves, and I'm just doing strokes until it all gets filled in. That's simple. So I'm constantly using this NYX pencil to fill in my brows. It's super cheap. I'm obsessed with it. It's so easy to use and it's cheap. Like, where can you go wrong? So since I love y'all, I'm gonna let you know that Target got it for the low. All right, now that our brows are done, we're gonna go in with the Becca primer. You can use any primer. Honestly, you can use anything. I'm just showing you guys what I use and what works for my face. I love this Becca primer. My makeup always stays intact for hours, and I truly believe it's because of that primer. So now I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place foundation. My shade is Kenya, and I'm Kenyan, so it's like they knew. But usually I actually do concealer underneath my eyebrows when I finish with them before I do my foundation. But 70s looks, they didn't really do that, so I didn't want that like refined, perfect brow look. Now we're gonna do the eyeshadow underneath the eyes. I'm gonna do the white one from the Warrior 2 Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna go right underneath my eye. I don't know technical terms, guys. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just showing y'all what I do. So don't come in my comments talking about, oh, this is called this and that's called that. Well, actually, you know what? You can. Please educate me because I don't know what I'm really doing. So now in the same palette, they have this black, well, it's more like a blue black eyeshadow that they have, and I'm just putting it on the outside part of the outside part, the I don't know, the outside part of my under eye. Okay. I also need y'all to realize that this is the very first time that I've ever put eyelashes on my own face. This is insane. It was super hard to do. That is why I did not show it to you guys, because the struggle was real. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our Born This Way concealer, my favorite concealer of all time. Okay, so we're gonna put it all over and then we're gonna blend it out real cute and nice. Okay, fun fact, I was using a green beauty blender and I was being stupid because I didn't realize I was doing a green screen as well. So my green blender is turning into the background. So it's not a glitch or anything. It's just the effects. Y'all, this hair is so big that I almost forgot to do my forehead. Oh, shout outs to this wig. This wig is actually from Amazon. It was super cheap and it's super soft and beautiful. Like, I adore this wig right now. So I'm going to continue to just blend out the concealer underneath my eyes. I like to also do, as you saw on my top, like, once again, I don't know terms, above my lip and on my chin, on the forehead, and on the nose. I bring in the concealer a little bit up towards my nose to get this whole contoured look because I don't really like to contour my nose too much and have the brown lines. I think it's ugly. So I always do this method of bringing in the concealer further in and sculpting my contour with the concealer so I don't have those brown lines. Now I'm just going in and blending all of the concealer with the foundation. Please make note of this, guys. We want to blend. It's cute to blend, right? Okay, so yeah, I'm using Too Faced setting powder, but the Too Faced setting powder is super potent, and like if you use way too much, you will get backlash OD in pictures. I'm talking OOOD. Okay, you will look ghostly. You don't want that. So I'm using the smallest amount, and I'm just doing little by little as I go, and also basically brushing it off as soon as I put it on because the baking is real with the Too Faced. Y'all, I was playing the 70s, 80s playlist, and then Square Biz came on, and woo, child, that is my song. So I started feeling myself. I love that song. If y'all don't know, please Google Square Biz. For my contour, I love using this Maybelline foundation stick. It's just super easy, and I never get my contour wrong with it. So, yeah. As you can see, I'm using the same foundation brush that I used earlier to blend it out. I don't know why I really do this. I don't know. I just like to use the same brush because the combination of the two tones really makes it blend well. You don't have to do this. This is just me. Okay, so here you can see that I'm blending out my chin. I did not put any contour makeup or anything on my chin. I'm just simply blending it out with the same product that's already on the brush. Okay, next up we have the Fenty Kilowatt highlighter, my favorite. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Okay, I cannot sing. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I like to put a little bit only. I like a natural highlighter look. I don't like it to be overpowering. I put a little bit on top of my cheekbones and on my nose. On that little part, I don't know what it's called, y'all. Educate me, please leave a comment. I don't know what that part of your nose is called. The bridge of your nose? Or is that the bridge of your, I don't know. But yeah, that's where I put it on. Oh my goodness, guys. We are done. Okay, finito. Okay, here we go. Yes, girl, take it off. Show it off. Yes, yes, queen. Okay, like y'all can't tell me nothing. This is the first time I really did real makeup. Okay, I'm feeling myself. Look, she looked like she got a poster for a movie in the 1978. Okay. Ugh. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had a lot of fun making it. Please leave a comment below. Let me know where I went wrong, when I went right. And if you have any other questions, concerns, or comments, I will see y'all later. Deuces.